Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering questions submitted by a student. It's kind of an unusual question, mostly I think because of the way it's worded. So we're going to take a look at the unit circle here and see what we can do with this problem. So I just want to... my drawing skills are not that great. Let's pretend this is a unit circle. And we're interested in an angle here. And the angle has coordinates negative root 3 over 4, comma, root 13 over 4. So that's the coordinate of that point. If we wanted to think about it in terms of triangles, which I think is the best way to do it, make a triangle out of this. And here's our angle of interest, theta. And you can see the cosine of this. It's a unit circle, so the radius is 1. And the cosine of this thing is root, that's the square root of 3. So it's going to be square root of 3 over 4 here. And then this would be the square root of 13 over 4. Cosine and sine. But they want the size of this angle, theta, and there's just no way I can find it by hand that I could think of. So I had to resort to the calculator. So I'm just going to go the inverse cosine of root 3 over 4. And I've set mine in degrees. The calculator has to be set in degrees because the problem is in terms of degrees. And this is giving me 64.3411, let's say. And when I find the inverse sine of root 13 over 4, I get the same thing. So I'm going to say they want it rounded to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to say our answer is 64.3 degrees because I'm getting the same result on my calculator for either the cosine and the sine. And I'm getting that same result. So I'm pretty confident that this is what they're after. So it's a very easy thing to do. The hard thing to do is really read it. I had to read it a couple times and then set up the diagram correctly and work it through. So I hope this was of some help to you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.